Hello Dothack Collectors. Today I have another unboxing video. This one came from Mercari Japan and Yahoo Auctions Japan, and also with a suruga-ya. These were shipped to me by buy.com. Normally the options are EMS, buy airmail, and buy surface mail. I went with buy airmail because EMS is typically pretty pricey. This time, however, with the buy airmail, it's usually handled through another company. And the past few orders, my orders were actually shipped through EMS regardless. This time it's done by UPS. So today I have 6 new items, 2 magazines, 2 doujinshis, 1 Dothack Archives book that I've been missing, and a kind of like a banner. It's a banner you use for a Gashapon machine, and it'll make more sense later on. So let's get started. So the total price of all the contents I spent on was $39.79 Japanese yen, or just under $38. And it looks like we have 2 packages inside. I believe this one is from the Mercari, or no, actually this is the Yahoo Auctions Japan. This one's for the Mercari and Suruga. So let's take a look here. It's a pretty big box. Most of the stuff is just books. It's coming about 20 inches wide. About 8.5 inches tall. And 13 inches deep. So it's pretty big. The items themselves shouldn't be that big though. So it's kind of weird why they use a pretty big box when the box could have been a lot more slimmer. So let's start with this one here. So this, kind of wishing I brought scissors today. This I won in an auction. No one else bid it against me, so that was pretty cool. Didn't have to race the price up. So that big package had this small little package, and it's only going to get smaller from here. Over in Japan, it's pretty common to have vending machines. One particular vending machine aimed for children, however, is the Gashapons. Gashapons are little capsule toys. And one of the cool things that these Gashapons have was a Dothack Gashapon figurine, or mini figures that you would assemble, but in the window of the machine itself, you'd have one of these little advertisements. So it'll tell you what the Gashapons you could get, like Black Rose, Elk, Gardenia, and Kite. This is from Volume 1 of the Dothack Gashapons, the HGIF series. And you'd have information down here at the bottom of who to contact for maintenance or supplies. And the Gashapons were 200 Japanese yen a piece, but they would be random. They'll be in little capsules. So you put your 200 yen coins total into the machine, turn the crank, and a ball came out with one of these 4. And then later on, they did a second set called Dothack Volume 2. And this one came with 6 different capsules you could get. From Kite, this is before he got the Book of the Twilight, and after Black Rose. And then the Black Rose, they changed the hair colors. So if you haven't seen our Gashapon shorts on that, you'll notice that the hair colors are in fact different. Subaru from Dothack Sign, Tsukasa from Dothack Sign. However, you'll note Tsukasa's wand is Elk's wand. This is not Tsukasa's wand. And Belmont. So this is what I really wanted, was just a little, it'd be kind of curved on the window. So this little cardboard would sit in the window, so you couldn't see the balls behind it, or at least not all of them. And then, like I said, down below you'd have your drop your coins, turn the crank, and the caps will come out of the dispenser. So here we have the two windows, and on the back it's just cardboard. Nothing special. Alright. And this bigger box, and then there's nothing else inside the main box. So inside this box, take that sheet out. So like I said, the shipping could have been a lot more smaller. This is all there is inside this one box. So first up we have the last Dothack Archives book, number 4, Dothack Link. Actually, I didn't have that one. We have some doujinshis. This one is called Luck Hack Pack. This is actually from Ray Izumi. Izumi Ray, however you want to call that person. Now this is a book, also by Ray Izumi. And it says the complete book, 10th anniversary. So we'll look at that one. Then I also got 2 magazines. Magazine is called Comptiq. This is by Katakawa. This is issue December 2001, number 235. This cost 840 Japanese yen back in the day. Then I got January as well, 2002. The reason why I got these magazines, even though they don't look like they have anything to do with Dothack, they have been featured in the month of the year of 2002. Dothack Link, or not Dothack Link, Dothack Legend of the Twilight was very prominent in these magazines. So I'm gonna take a look and see if the rumors are true, whether Chapter 1 of Dothack Legend of the Twilight was in the December issue. And I got the January just to be sure if there's anything else in that one. So let's take a look. So this is the Dothack Link Archives Volume 4. We got Tokyo on the front and just some gears on the back. Fully illustrated. It's more of like a art book, info book for the series. And each volume would focus more on one particular series. So in this one we have Dothack Link. So here we have different concept arts for Saika. Surprised they didn't show any concept arts for Tokyo. We also have Aika. Different hair colors there. Flugo. Now his, they did provide some concept works. Metronome. Cello. Clarinet. Orgel. Pusane. Tromel. Geist. And we even have some AI Buster characters here with Albreo. Tsukasa from Dothack sign. Down over here, there's some more AI Buster characters. Kuto and Lycrosis. But anywho, that's Dothack Link. Just all the concept arts for the characters, world designs, items. Some spoilers. Give that game a try. There's an English patch over on Dothack Translate. There we go. Here's some concept artworks. All right. Here we have UDDN, UDDN 10th anniversary. Let's see which way this opens. Okay, so it goes from right to left. 10th anniversary. There's some 10th anniversary artwork. Everyone's wearing a Shugo cap. Stuff we've seen before. Nothing new there. I think these chibis might be new. This is from the Reno special pack, the World magazines. Some various artworks. And down here at the very bottom is the Luck Hack Pack, which is right here. So here's the contents. Japanese, of course. So I don't know what these stories are about. I don't recall they were featured in anything else other than here. Although there was the wolf flower doujinshi. Here it looks like we got some artwork of Uka. And here it looks like we have an offline story with Uka and her real life self, and Mirel, and I believe that's Mistral. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that this is Mirel and Mistral. If I can't read, but this would probably confirm it right there. Don't remember the relationship, but I think Uka was either a babysitter, a teacher, tutor, maybe a stay-at-home nanny. I don't remember the details exactly, but she's very close to Mirel's daily life. A story about Balmong, maybe. So yeah, I thought this was cool back in the day. I didn't think it was going to be this many pages. It's quite a lot. I saw pictures of it on Azumiya's website back then, but unfortunately, Azumiya took down that webpage. I did have some parts of his website their website backed up, but like I said, it's gone. Parts of it can still be found on archive.org. Some of these pictures I remember from being at the back of Legend of the Twilight after the actual story. So it looks like it's more of a collection of all the stuff we've seen before, with some new stuff sprinkled in. Remember, it's supposed to be a celebration of 10 years of Dothack Legend of the Twilight when this was released back in, I believe, 2012. That's a good photo. Looks like it's the pictures from AI Busters. Remember, the AI Busters was just a novel with some pictures here and there. I always like this picture of Aura in a formal dress, which it's this version of her right here. Some rough sketches of Uka and Utaru, Maggie, Yukino maybe on the left, Rumor, Maho. Is that from, I forget these people's names. Ukoto, Lycosis. Let's see, pretty sure. No, that might actually be Kite and Black Rose. I don't think that's Ren and Shugo. So that's that. Luck Hack Pack. Let's see what's in this. And some of this stuff might already be in that 10th anniversary book. I've always seen pictures of the cover, but I've never actually seen what was actually inside the book. But this is definitely what I was expecting, how many pages it would be. Oh, that's cool. It's a picture of Sora and Aura right here together. That's it. Alrighty. Next up, these issues of Comptiq. Now, I'm not going to go through every page of this, not because it would be too long, but mostly because there's a lot of adult images in these books for Comptiq magazines. So I'm going to take a look at these off camera real quick and see if there's any Dothack Legend of the Twilight, and I'll show it if there is. And yep, that is some adult stuff. Can't show that on camera. Alright, Dothack. So far on the table of contents, I can show that part at least. The table of contents, don't see Dothack on here, or at least not in English. Let's take a look. So it's pretty cool that supposedly Dothack was actually preceded with Legend of the Twilight being written and published in a magazine prior to the release of Dothack Sign on TV Tokyo and Dothack Infection released for the PS2. When you consider that chronologically, Dothack Sign, and then came the Dothack PS2 games, along with Liminality. But then after that, after everything took place, then Legend of the Twilight happens. But yet, other teams, part of the Project Dothack, were already thinking about the future. Okay, so far I'm not seeing anything in here. And it was led to believe it was this issue, December of 2021, that there was a publication for Legend of the Twilight. I know it's only chapter 1, but still, I have not found anything yet. I doubt it was on the CD. Okay, so I'm just about at the end here, and I gotta say, it does not look like it was in this issue. Alright, I can confirm Dothack Chapter 1 of Legend of the Twilight is not in December's issue. Let's take a look at January. So that's interesting. So here is January 2002. These are the table of contents in this book. And once again, I don't see Dothack on here. So let's take a look real quick. Once again, if you're just seeing nothing moving on screen, it's because I can't show this magazine page by page because of the adult content this book gets. But if I do find something for Dothack, I'll definitely show it on screen. Just browsing through here real quick. So far, I'm not seeing anything on chapter 1. Has a poster. And this one actually came with the CD. Other issue did not have the CD. Okay, what is my comic of this one? And looks like January 2002 does not have Dothack Legend of Twilight either. So, I can safely confirm Legend of Twilight Chapter 1 does not appear in either of these two issues. I do believe the rest of 2002 Legend of Twilight does appear in every issue, or even just plain Dothack. But that is my unboxing video today. We have the Luck Hack Pack, the complete book by Izumia, Dothack Link Archives Volume 4, the 2 Gashapon window covers, and 2 issues of Comptiq magazine. And that's all I have for you today. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and join our Dothack Discord if you like these videos. I have a bunch of more unboxing videos. And then in the future, I will cover these 4 items here and some Dothack shorts over on YouTube, on TikTok, and even on Instagram and Facebook as Reels. So you can look forward to seeing those there here in the upcoming future. And if you would like to see something for me to cover, be sure to ask in the comments or on our Dothack Discord, and I'll be sure to take a look at those requests and hopefully get those up as videos as well in the future. Until then, thank you for watching and take care.